So I'm a content creator, video editor. So I have been using this particular Flipkart Smart Buy mouse, which the model is E703T for almost 2-3 years. So I also made a video about this. You can watch it here. The thing is, it actually really good for the price. The about that 500 rupees price range. Resting mechanism for your thumb, and you have the AA battery compartment. Inside that you have this wireless dongle, which you can use it to connect wirelessly. It also has this Bluetooth option. Just with a single click you can connect directly to the Bluetooth. Till now it's working really great. The problem is I have dropped this multiple times. Click and all, no, this left click is having some plasticky sound. But the biggest problem that with this mouse is this battery issue. This is the entire packet of Everready, and you see this is fully empty. So every 2-3 weeks once I have to replace the battery, and that is really not that great, because this clicky is not that great and it still works, but whenever I am in long editing period, suddenly the battery will go. So for those kind of issues, I started searching in internet to find what is the best mice. When I was in searching in Amazon, I found this Logitech MX Master 3S, 8K DPI and ultra fast scrolling, and it has this metal frame, right? So if you click like that, it will roll, and end page you will come, and left side is scrolling also there, and then you have front and back button and DPI button or something. I don't know. This was one of the great mouse, especially for the video editing purpose or something, and it looks really great with my matte black laptop here, if you can see. But the problem is, yeah, the price. It is almost 10,000 rupees. My entire phone is 10,000 rupees. I don't want to spend on this one, because I'm not really doing anything really great with YouTube or anything as a content creator. So this one. So I searched for the previous model. That is Logitech MX Master 2S. This is not great as that one, but this is still great. It has still that matte black finish and metallic color, and I like it a lot, this particular finishing in here. But again, the problem is same price, 6,500. This is costly, and I found the I found the better option. Well, that is what here everybody. This is iClever Bluetooth Mouse MD172 wireless mouse, dual mode Bluetooth plus USB, and then multi-device ergonomics mouse with 5 adjustable DPI and 7 buttons. Rechargeable silent mice for laptop, iPad, MacBook, tablet, PC, and this is really great and exciting. But the price is almost half as MX Master 2S Logitech. I should have bought this one, but more than this was more appealing to me. Well, the thing is, it has a Type-C port. You can charge it, and I believe you can use it as a wired mouse as well. And then you have the front and back button, and the posture here you see like this. More than this mouse, that mouse will be higher like this. So I actually want to feel that one. And then we have a different DPI. It can start from 800 to 2400. But in here in MX, we have 8K DPI, that is like 3-4 times higher. So the DPI is in the sense like distance per inch or something. So as small as you move, how far it is moving in the screen. That is the thing. If you switch the DPI, you can find which is actually more concise for your screen inch size and the actual travel here. So I'm still in doubt, and this was actually same looking like MX or something, Logitech MX 3S. So that is also one of the reason that I bought this one. Also this color which matte black again fit with my laptop, so again I like it. What you guys thinking have done? Well, I just bought it. So here we have everybody this wireless mouse, big letter iClever. So this iClever mouse, I bought it for 2,500, as I said, and it delivered really quick. Also in the back side, if you see, they have mentioned it is wireless mouse. That is really important, because I don't want the wired one. And connection dual mode, and how many connections you can connect, up to 3 devices. And DPI adjuster 800 to 2400. Battery is 500 mAh rechargeable. Working times almost more than 30 days. This particular mouse is looking great. Let me open. So this is the opening. So here we have this opening, and then inside here you have the Type-C cable. So you can connect it. I can now only check. connecting it in here. And then here we have user manual. So there are a lot of things like 2.4 connection and Bluetooth, and then different buttons. We know everything. And then this 2 buttons is for left and right. So these are all mentioned in the mouse. So this is the first look of the mouse. So here you see that this is actually looking good. This is a side comparison with the Flipkart Smart Buy. This is actually good mouse, guys, this Flipkart one. So the back side it is good, and here you see that curvature, we have it in here, and this feels like metal, but it is actually plastic. So okay, and then we have power on off button. Here also we have power on button, and this one is matte finish, but it is having some little bit texture. So this is a little bit grippy. I actually like it. And then this also fitting perfectly in my hand. Here you can see, and this button also really nice. So there is not much clicking sound, but this is actually feels good. And we have the scroll. This doesn't have any like a quick scroll or something, like if you scroll it, it will be like that. It is not like that. And DPI controller we have, and this particular here you can see one light is there. This light is probably for connecting this one. So if you are charging this one, this is emitting, so I can turn it on. And this one now working as a wired mouse. Even the battery is gone after some months or years. You can use it as wired mouse. But yeah, so now it is charging, and inside here you have the dongle. If your device doesn't have Bluetooth, you can use this dongle. Also, apparently here if you see, there is one hole in here, right? So this hole, I don't know why they kept it. Maybe some other mouses for connecting for iPhone or iPad, maybe having different dongle here. So here if I put a type C inside, it is actually fitting like a magic mouse. I don't know, maybe for some other model they will be using. And this is actually bit heavy, guys. So it will sit perfectly on the surface or the dongle. So now the dongle is actually connected. Here my mouse is scrolling really good. In the surface it is just sticking, I don't know, because here we have the plastic wrapper. So I can remove that. Even if you feel the same, this is the plastic wrapper. So I'll just remove that plastic wrapper. Quality wise this is actually good, guys. Yeah, now it is much smoother. So if you see now, I'm moving this much. Here you see only this much is going, right? So now I click the DPI again. See the difference again. See, very small it is going. I'm moving this much here. Okay, so here we have the light, guys, right? So if I click this, 1, again 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 again. So based on this you can calculate the DPI. I think 1 means less, 5 means high DPI, so it is working really long. If I click again only once, it is very small. So 1, 2, 3. So I will set it in 3 DPI. And then we have 3 buttons. So here in the 3 button, one is for different devices connection. So first is dongle, second is Bluetooth, third also Bluetooth. So one device you can connect it in dongle, other 2 you can connect it in Bluetooth. So you can seamlessly connect with a different device. As soon as this one, this particular thing is connected, in Bluetooth, it is showing in the laptop. Here you can see. So here it is automatically showing. I can just click connect. So now it is connected. So second device is now laptop. So what about first device? So now it is dongle also laptop, and first device. So first device also same. Okay, the first device I want to connect it in here. iClever. Okay, yeah, so now I have connected it in the mobile. Here you see the scroll wheeling is going. So now if I click here and change, now it is working in the laptop, and if I again click, it will go again to the controller which I connected in here. So this is actually useful. And then the next thing is, if I click here, and if I want to come back, I can click here, right? So this is one of the useful thing. And if I want to go forward, I can click this button again, first button here. It will go forward, backward, forward, backward. This is one of the useful thing. I don't know whether we can reconfigure this one using any other third-party software or something, copy paste or something like that. That will be much more useful. So I will be using this for some time, and if it gets failed to work or it got repaired or something, I will make sure to mention it in the comment section below. When comparing to Logitech, whether you can go ahead and buy this iClever unknown brand, or maybe it could have been big brand in China or something, I don't know exactly. The service center or something, if it is Logitech, it will be different case, but for this brand, how it will be, I don't know. And 2500 is actually really big amount, and for that money you can get some really good mouses. So over that, whether you can consider this. Well, I actually like the design and the in-hand feel, and the travel and experience is actually good with this mouse. Yeah, what you want to see other than this, whatever you want to see, let me know in the comment section. I will try to make a upcoming video or something. But as of now, for my editing workflow, I will be switching from my Flipkart mouse to this iClever mouse. So yeah, that's what about this video. If you want to watch the review video of card mouse, you can watch it in here. I'll leave the link. And yeah, quote motto.